Hi guys, welcome back to RevHp. This is part 2 of the Ola issue I had with my front suspension. It was developing a slight crack in the front. Unfortunately, I was able to catch it before anything bad could happen. So as I said in the first video, this just sent me home saying it's going to be okay and it won't break and stuff like that. And I was quite mad actually, but yeah, what can you do? So after I reached home, I got a call from another, I guess, service executive, and he just asked me to get it back to the service center. And the thing is, I guess he talked to some manager or something like that, and they felt like yes, it was definitely a risk to ride this bike, and overall a good experience right now today. Last time it was a bit of a trouble, but yeah, so they got it replaced for free, the entire front end. So this entire part they got it replaced. I was hoping for that they might use a different sort of a material, because obviously it's not the first bike that this issue has happened. And yeah, but well, what can you do? So they have replaced this entire part. As you can see, there are no more cracks over here or anything. This part is new. Overall, props to them for that, like to replace it for free. I mean, they obviously should do it, but yeah, as my opinions were in the previous video, I can't really recommend this scooter to anyone anymore. I'm really sorry, but yeah, it has best in class features and range, but this thing right here, I just can't, because safety is it has to be the priority over here. And I was just lucky to catch it because I do pre-ride inspections, otherwise it could have been catastrophic. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. And yeah, do like, subscribe, share this, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Please stay tuned. RevHp signing out.